Welcome to Live DIY. Today I want to show you how to get the most out of your gift cards by sending the balance to your Amazon account for free. You want to do this for two major reasons. One, Visa gift cards may have an expiration. Two, it can be difficult to get every last dollar out of your gift cards without spending more than you want or forfeiting the last couple of bucks of your balance. This isn't going to work with all gift cards, nor for balances less than $5, but I make it a habit to try to transfer the balance to my Amazon account immediately. First, click the link in the comments or description to go to Amazon Gift Card Balance Reload. Yes, it is the one with less than 2 stars. They recently changed the rule to make the minimum $5, and lots of people are upset about that. Still, there are no fees and no expiration. To the right, you'll see the gift card balance link. Click that and bookmark it since it's hard to find. Back on the reload page, enter the exact amount remaining on your debit or credit gift card and click Buy Now. Add a new card, enter the details, taking note that there is an expiration date. Also, make sure you're in the correct Amazon account. This gift card balance is not transferable once you buy it. I got this card from the Tremendous website, which many companies use for paying out rewards for surveys or referral bonuses. You can see I received 3 emails over 5 minutes. The first 2 suggesting that it did not work, followed by a successful email. I'll head back over to my Amazon balance page to see that it did indeed work. Thanks for watching, and also thanks to Chatgpt for being kind enough to provide this not terrible
voiceover for my video, which saved me time so I could get this video out to you sooner.